Piny owacho chano chako chenro machiwo opande ne jopuonjre ma hikgi ochopo 18 e skunde duto mag piny owacho mag sekondar e pacho ka chakre dwe mar 7 higani. Jagoro migawo masomo John Olando mane loso romo ma jotend jopuonj skunde sekondar Mombasa kwayo jopuonj mondo oikre matiyo kanyakla gi apisas mawuok e bad migawo mar immigration mabiro tayo chenro no e skunde. Jatend migawo masomo Julius Migoso Gamba mane oloro ayanga romo kone piny owacho bende koro dhi chugo komiti moyiedhi mabiro wuotho e skunde manono midhiero ma samoro jopuonjre kale mar gayo masiche.
The PSC Migration has communicated that they'll be doing registration of students for national identity cards from the month of July, and therefore requesting the principals and the schools to be very keen and collaborate during that registration period. All the other issues that you have mentioned in relation to the management of exams, my cabinet secretary in a short while will be able to communicate one or two things in relation to that.
As a government, we are keen on finding a long-term solution to the challenges of unrest that we face. We want to ensure that our schools are safe spaces for learners and that public property is not destroyed and life is not lost. We are constituting a multi-stakeholder task team to undertake a comprehensive review of the challenges of unrest and to make recommendations for institutionalizing effective dialogue and peaceful coexistence in schools. This task team will have a broad mandate of evaluating the challenges of unrest and the causative factors. The task team will include all stakeholders in the education ecosystem and will have extensive terms of reference to address this problem.